There's some really big takeaways from the puck is that it's a gateway device that is actually pretty straightforward to use and connect. There's 5 easy steps to get the puck to work in a clean room environment, connecting instruments to our back-end architecture. In the picture here, we see the puck. It's shown with a air particle counter, specifically a climate 1070. That particular particle counter uses Modbus to control it, to read data from it remotely, as well as a couple other styles of interface. What the puck does is the puck completely takes over the control of the device and presents the instrument to the infrastructure in our backend simply as a particle counter. It makes no difference that it's a climate. Could be a lighthouse, could be a laser, could be any number of manufacturers of particle counters. The puck manages all of the details of communicating with the individual instrument and then abstracts that instrument as simply a particle counter. Now, that connection I mentioned, it's 5 easy steps. For this particular particle counter, the only thing the puck needs to know is the IP address of the device and any credentials needed for connection to the instrument. That takes care of the connection to the instrument. Connection to the back end, the infrastructure and Phizzle's back end core requires connection to a Wi-Fi. So just like connecting your laptop at a hotel, you need to know the SSID and passphrase. Once that's known to the puck and the address of our back-end server, that instrument is now securely connected to the infrastructure and to the company's back end.